everyone. This is Dr. Praveen Verma from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Mount Abu. Students, today we will discuss about the haloalkanes and haloarenes. It is the chapter in organic chemistry. So first, what is meaning of haloalkane and haloarene? In 11th class, you have studied about the hydrocarbons. You know, the compound which have two elements, carbon and hydrogen, are called hydrocarbon. So basically, the haloalkanes and haloarenes, they are derivatives of hydrocarbon. Haloalkane, they are aliphatic compound, and haloarenes, they are aromatic compound. If we see the haloalkanes, they are derivative of alkanes. When we remove the hydrogen atom of the alkane by halogen atom, haloalkane is formed. In this reaction you can see RH, where R is alkyl group. So when we remove this H atom by the halogen X, this X may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. So RX is formed, that is haloalkane. Next, haloarene. They are derivative of arene. Arene means benzene. They are derivative of aromatic benzene. So when the H atom of the benzene ring is replaced by halogen, haloarene is formed. Now next is classification. How can we classify? So we can classify the haloalkanes or haloarenes first on the basis of type of halogen. Type of halogen. We have four halogen elements: chlorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. So we can say there are four types: fluorocompounds, chlorocompounds, iodo-compounds and bromo-compounds. Okay, so they can be replaced RF, RCl, RBr and RI. Okay, they are the what? Types of haloalkane on the basis of type of halogen. Fluorocompounds, chlorocompounds, bromo-compounds and iodo-compounds. And similar way you can take ARF, ARCl, ARBr or ARI. These are the haloarenes. Fluorocompound, chloro, bromo and iodo. Where R is alkyl group. You should know R is alkyl group. Okay, and AR, that is aryl group. That is the first. Now second, based on the number of halogen atom. Second is based on number of halogen atom. Number of halogen atom. So if there is only one halogen atom, that is mono derivative. Okay, only one halogen atom there is. And second is dihalogen derivative. Third is di means there will be two halogen atom. Okay. Now next, tri. There will be three halogen atom. Okay, in the compound. Then it will be called as trihalogen derivative. And more than three, poly. Okay, so if we see some example, CH3Cl, that is monohalogen derivative. But suppose we take CH2Cl2, that is methylene chloride, that is dihalogen derivative. And if we take CHCl, that is chloroform, it is trihalogen derivative. Okay, and then CCl4, that is polyhalogen derivative. So that is also one classification. Now next, the dihalogen derivative may be divided as gem dihalide and bis dihalide. Gem and bis. So you can understand this by two example. If both halogen atoms are attached to same carbon atom, that is called as gem dihalide. You can see this example. It is 1,1-dichloroethane. That is example of gem dihalide. And if these two halogen atoms are present nearby carbon atom, is 1 and 2. So that is what? Bis dihalide. So that is example 1,2-dichloroethane. That is example of bis dihalide. It is also called, first one is also called ethylidene chloride. Okay, and it is what? Dichloroethane. Now next classification that is important, halogen derivative may be classified as on the basis of the type of hybridization of carbon atom from which halogen atom is attached. So you know there are two types of hybridization. Generally, if you see sp3 and sp2 for carbon atom, so it may be the first type in which the carbon atom is sp3 hybrid and X, that is halogen, is attached to sp3 hybrid carbon atom. Okay, that is one type first. And second, in which carbon atom is sp2 hybrid and the halogen atom is attached to this sp2 hybrid carbon atom. Further, if we see in these types, in first type, further there are three types. First one, alkyl halide. Okay. Second, allylic halide. Allylic halide. And third is benzylic halide. Okay. And in the second, there are further two types. Vinylic halide. Vinylic halide, first one. And second is aryl halide. Now we try to understand what is the difference between them. So in first type, I have written here alkyl halide. So in this, the carbon atom which is sp3 hybrid is actually what? Alkyl group. And from this alkyl group, the halogen atom is attached. So it is called what? Alkyl halide. But in second one, in allylic halide, the halogen atom is attached to allylic carbon. Now what is allylic carbon? If you see the example, you know about the propene, I think. So in propene, suppose you see this one, that is the propene. Okay, so in this propene, this carbon atom is what? It is sp3 hybrid, and further if you see, it is attached to sp2 hybrid carbon. So when you see this, actually this CH2, if I remove the hydrogen, and if X is attached to this carbon, actually this carbon is what? It is allylic carbon. So the halogen is attached to allylic carbon. Okay, so that is example. If we write here Br, so that is what? Allyl bromide. Okay, so that is example of allylic halide. Now next, benzylic halide. So in this, the halogen atom is attached to benzylic carbon. So now what is benzylic carbon? If you see this example, you know that is toluene. Methyl group attached to benzene. That is toluene. If I remove this hydrogen, so actually this carbon is called as what? Benzylic carbon, and halogen attached to this carbon. So if I replace this X by Br, so that is called benzyl bromide. So that is example of what? Benzylic halide. Now next, in second, what is vinylic halide? In this, the X or halogen atom is attached to vinylic carbon. So you know that is the vinyl group. So actually it is vinylic carbon, so halogen is attached to this vinylic carbon. You can just replace this X by Cl also. It is vinyl chloride. That is example of vinylic halide. Now next, aryl halide. So in this, the H atom of benzene ring or arene is replaced by the halogen atom. So that is the example of vinylic halide. Okay, that one can give the number first and second. So it is example of vinylic halide. Now second, aryl. So we are replacing the what? H atom of benzene directly by what? Halogen. So suppose I have written here Cl. So chlorobenzene or vinyl chloride. That is example of aryl halide. So that was the brief classification of the haloalkanes or haloarenes. So we'll continue the next topic in next video. Thank you.